In this video, I'm going to show you the cost estimation process of a carton by using our IndusPrint ERP. IndusPrint ERP can manage the workflow of sheetfed offset, web offset, narrow web flexo, and the corrugation processes. Hello everyone, this is Vikram from Indus Analytics Indore. Indus Analytics is the software solution provider company for printing domains. Let's have a look.
Cost estimation process for a carton. First, add the quantity, separating by the comma. You can enter multiple order quantity in this box. Add content from the content style. Enter for the planning. Here, you have to mention the dimension of your product. Mention the color, whether it is front color conventional or special color. Choose the grain direction if it is required. Go for paper selection in this window. Enter the wastage if it is required and mention the trimming, stripping and printing margin if it is necessary for the job. Then go for show planning. By using the artificial intelligence by the system will automatically give you the best economic plan at the top of this window. There you can see the waste percentage, waste kg, and this kind of indications are also available. Here, by using your predefined master data, system will automatically calculate your plate, paper, and printing. For the operation cost, you have to select all the required operation for the job. After selecting it, system will automatically calculate the amount of your each and individual selected process. Hit apply button, and if you want to get comparison on 20,000 also, then open this planning and hit apply. Here you can see system has given us the cost on 10,000 and 20,000. At the finalized window, you can add the profit and can give the discount if it is required. Select the appropriate cost and get it saved. Your cost estimation has been completed.
Click on quote list available under the estimate and quotation group. Visit the internal approved window. Select the quotation. By using this print quote button, you can generate a printout with a single click. Once the printout is generated, this can be exported as Word, PDF, and you can take the printout as well. Once it's done, and if you want to send this particular email directly to your customer, then use send email button. Once you click on send button, system will send an email to your customer by using your email domain. Now the confirmation we have received from the system. Here too, just for the verification, you just open your sent email box. And there you can see your sent email with the attachment, which means you no need further to come here and send quotation again with the quotation attachment. So this is how you can take a quotation, you can generate a quotation by using our IndusPrint ERP. Thank you very much for watching this video.